Okay, platinum. Still got student coming in. Apa ni ya? Number 2, as I told you, expensive stuff must be good stuff. Gold. Gold ada orang guna sebenarnya, as I told you before. Number 3 is called the silver. Number 4 is called the copper lah. So itu adalah apa yang kita buat. Okay. So for those who miss this part, make sure you copy it down into your notes or a piece of paper. So material bermakna benda yang berbeza akan memberi rintang berbeza. So of course, imagine that if one day, bayangkan, one day suddenly TMB make announcement, salam Malaysia, okay, mulai esok kita punya wire di sini, kita punya wire akan tukar menjadi wire platinum, katakanlah. You know what we will do? You know what will happen? I love my country, Malaysian. You know what will happen now? For sure, I'm the first one also. I could cut the wire away. I will cut the wire away. Understand not? Why? Platinum, hello. It's just in front of your house, okay? So much of that. Understand? You cut like that, you can retire already. I tell you, boleh retired dah. You tak payah kerja dah. MCO forever. Understand not? Is that clear? So no one is doing that. So that's why we go for the second option now. Cara kedua. Cara kedua kamu boleh nampak here is called the length. Okay. Number 2, I use a different color because red one is the one we discussed last week, Monday lesson. So the length. Okay. Length in Malay dan panjang wire lah. So I think this is kind of simple lah class. Look at this. Physics is a logical subject. Apabila kamu dapat hantaran elektron dengan lebih baik, the length of the wire, panjang wire itu, mesti panjang ke pendek? Of course must be pendek lah. That means that what is the best way to save your electric bill? Number 1, change a wire become platinum, gold or silver. But you can't. That's why we stick to copper. Number 2, reduce the length of the wire. Apa maksudnya? That means that you move your house near to the TMB law. Understand not? Is that clear? So how can? Not fair. I told you before, nothing is fair. You just move your house next to TMB, voila, your bill will be cheap. Understand not? Then so how come? Bermakna cara pertama, nak tukar wire tak jadilah, tak mampu, tak ada duit. Number 2, nak pendekkan wire, tapi nampaknya macam tak logik lah. Okay? Tak logik lah. Understand? Someone say stay inside the TMB. If you can lah, that's the best. Okay, if you own the TMB, that's the best. So number 2, pendekkan wire, stay near to TMB. Understand or not? It's very logic one, as I told you before. It's just like you want to, now it's MCO, you call for pizza again. I love pizza example. You call for pizza. Hello, Pizza Hut. Can you send me a pizza? But make sure this pizza must come from your Johor Bahru outlet. I want the pizza from Johor Bahru. I don't like KL Selangor one. Doesn't taste good. Johor Bahru good. So can. Jauh kan? Apa berlaku? The pizza boy send the pizza to you. When you deliver the whole pizza, when they come to your house, do you think you can get the whole pizza? No. You maybe get one mushroom only. One mushroom. The lain sudah makan. Why? High resistance mah. Understand or not? So what's the best way? Pizza Hut will tell you, come lah. Stay next to Pizza Hut. Kalau rumah kamu next to Pizza Hut, the pizza come to you. Still hot, warm. Okay? Not warm, sorry. Hot. I should use the word hot. Hot sampai asap semua keluar punya. Understand or not? That is the thing. So bermakna, you just change wire. So cannot, not tak mampu. Pendekkan wire. Macam tak logik, sir. Macam tukar. That's why we got third method. Okay, what's the third method? Cross-sectional area. A cross-sectional area in Malay called luas keratan rentas. I repeat, cross-sectional area in Malay, luas keratan rentas. Okay, or you can say the size of the wire. The size of the wire. You see, physics is a logical subject. You look at here. Everyone look at the screen. TMB, nak hantar elektron, elektron berjalan dalam kabel. Bayangkan, ada satu kabel yang kecil. A small, tiny cable like that. Comparing with a big cable. Big cable. Electron want to move inside here and move inside here. Ladies and gentlemen, when you look at these two drawings, you will know. Between a small wire and a big wire, which one electron easier to move? Of course, it's the big one, right? Correct or not? Of course, the big one easier to move. That means what? Kalau nak kurangkan rintangan, you want to reduce the resistance, means you want to make electron easier to go. The size of the wire, make sure must be big. Oh, sorry, I use back the blue pen. Make sure must be big. Okay, mark it into your notes. Make sure must be big wire. Maksudnya apa? Kalau kamu nak jimat electric bill, number one, tukar wire. You say tak mampu, tak apa. Yang kedua, pindah rumah dekat dengan TMB. Sir, tak logik, tak boleh. Fine. Yang ketiga, tukar wire kecil-kecil macam ni, mencari wire ini macam besar. Big wire. Sir, macam nak tukar? Keren not? If you do like that, what will happen? Sir, why TMB never do that? TMB nak buat tu pun susah sangat. Because you must understand, you and TMB very far. Apabila wire semakin besar, wire itu akan menjadi semakin berat. Become very heavy. So very hard to use also. Susah nak guna juga. Imagine my headphone wire is here. If this wire is so big like that, it's very hard for us to use. But of course, in terms of electricity, it's good. But practically, susah juga. So means what? Satu, tukar bahan tak boleh. Pendek wire tak boleh. Besar pun tak boleh. Yeah, that's why I say theory and practical is two different things. Secara theory, you pendekkan wire, besarkan wire, good. But how? Don't ask me. That's why we got method number 4. Temperature. Okay? Bagaimana suhu akan mempengaruhi wire? Remember, this temperature is different with the ohmic before that, if you remember. Ini is temperature from outside, luaran. What I mean by luaran? Look at this side of the board. Okay, look at this side of the board. You see, everyone please pay attention. This is very, very important basic for you. Imagine that if this is the wire again. If this is the wire. What happened to the wire? Every wire, as I told you, is a solid. Solid must have the particle inside. Dia mesti ada zara-zara kat dalam. Okay? And we know very well what the particle is doing. Particle actually is vibrating. Dia sedang bergetar dan kedudukan dia. They're vibrating in their own place. Am I right? They are vibrating. Don't need to copy. Just look at the screen. We'll do vibrating. And do remember what has happened. Electron want to move in between them. Understand or not? Now imagine. Katakan ini wire. What am I going to do? I panaskan dia. I use a fire to heat it up. Maksudnya apa? I try to increase the temperature of the wire. Okay? And imagine I try to burn. I not try to melt the wire. I'm not melting. I just heat it up only. So I want to imagine apa berlaku di dalam dia. So imagine that when you heat up the wire, what happened to the particle? Apa berlaku pada zara-zara dia? The particle actually vibrate even more faster. Dia akan bergetar dengan lebih pantas, lebih ketara, lebih gila, I would say. More crazy than before. Am I right? So imagine the electron is moving inside. The particle is vibrating gila macam tu. It's vibrating. So electron becoming easier or harder to move. You just imagine, I told you before, you are entering a jungle full of big elephant, like all these elephant, okay, inside the jungle full of elephant. All these elephant having party, Dumbo dance, okay, break dance, whatever dance also, okay, dandut, semua ada, okay, having party. You want to go in between, you become difficult to go. So ini akan menyebabkan suhu bertambah, rintangan juga bertambah. Understand? Then what happened? Apabila suhu berkurang, what happened to the particle? It still vibrate, but getting slower and slower and slower. You know what I'm trying to say? So bermakna imagine enter a jungle is full of elephant. Yes, but all these elephant, what they're doing? They're sleeping, they're snoring. Oh, you want to go in between? Easy for you. So bermakna rintangan dikurangkan. In other way, in order to reduce the resistance, what you're going to do? You have to reduce the temperature of the wire. Okay, conclusion. You want to make your electric bill in your house cheaper. Number one, change all the wire in your house and also outside the TMB with platinum, gold or silver. Tapi you kata tak mungkin, tak apa. Number two, pendekkan wire. Move nearer to TMB. You pun kata tak mungkin, tak boleh, tak apa. Yang ketiga, make a bigger wire. You also say cannot. The fourth thing you can do, cool down the wire. Meaning, you got nothing better to do, take a paper fan, just cool the wire like that, just keep past there. Please, like other center that I teach on last week or another place lah. Okay, also it's a live session like that. Some students say, sir, macam tu kita guna aircon to blow the wire lah. Class, use this. We want to save electric bill. You use aircon to blow the wire. Aircon guna electric juga. Understand or not? Is that clear? That means that you can imagine it like this lah. Bermakna wire di luar rumah kamu kan? Wire di luar rumah kamu. There's a wire there. Apa berlaku? Pada waktu pagi kan? Wire itu rintangan lebih tinggi kan? You can say that actually the electric bill is slightly higher one compared with nighttime. Nighttime outside the wire is colder. Colder, the resistance of the wire is lesser. In other way, you save a bit electricity. One. Understand or not? Is it okay? Someone asked question here. People that live in the colder part on Earth pay less ke? Hello. People live in the colder part on Earth called North Pole. North Pole, there got no electricity. Tak perlu lah, okay? Itu guna solar power boleh, okay? Don't ask for that, okay? So write down your notes. Any question? Still got people coming in. Okay, ada soalan? Ada. Ilet ah? Ilet. Good. If you ilet, let's go to this page. Okay, we try to look at different kind of material on Earth. All right. Sir, you so lag, huh? No lah, I'm okay with that. Someone say, is it lagging, my one?
A bit.
No, not really.
Not really. Actually, lagging, one of the reasons is because not only me, you know, maybe some of you feel lagging is because maybe your internet, right, you're using other thing. Maybe you turn on your own video. One of the things you can do to reduce the lag, right, you off your video. I don't need to see your face on, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
My face enough already, what? Understand? Okay, I don't need to see your face.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Then we move on this. Okay, let me mute all of you a while. Okay, now what is happening? Once you understand the resistance concept, right? What we can do is that we can categorize, kita cuba categorize all the material in the world, right, into 4 groups now. 4 benda. Insulator, conductor, semiconductor, or superconductor. We're going to look into that one by one. Kita akan lihat satu persatu. Okay, first of all, we have something called as an insulator. Bagi siapa yang belajar dengan bahasa Melayu, insulator dinamakan sebagai penebat. Okay, what is an insulator? Okay, what is an insulator? Okay, you see, if I ask you now what's an insulator, can anyone tell me? I unmute all of you now. What is insulator, by the way? Anyone want to try?
Tidak mengkonduksikan elektrik.
Okay, I heard someone say tidak mengkonduksikan elektrik. Good. The rest, shut up. Okay. One answer enough.
Tidak. Oh, tidak. Bagus ada.
Shut up. Okay. What they mean by insulator? Insulator, you will say that tidak mengkonduksikan elektrik. Okay, that is actually what you learn in your chemistry. I'm sorry, for those are chemistry lover. Okay, for those that know me, you know lah. Where is physics? Here. Where is chemistry? Yeah. Okay. Understand or not? So when you learn from chemistry, you will say that, oh, insulator adalah, okay, insulator basically is cannot conduct electricity. That's not really true. Tak benar sangat. Sebabnya, I can use one example to share with you. I always use the example. Bayangkan you see, what is this? Okay, what is this? A pokok. Katakan a pokok. Pokok actually means it made by wood, obviously. Wood is a very good example of insulator. Insulator. Bayangkan what happened is if you stand beside the tree, for example, okay, stand beside the tree. So what happened is, let's say during the heavy rain and thunderstorm, next, it seems like every evening nowadays also ada hujan lebat. Katakan dia petir datang, lightning come. For those in my class, I told you before, lightning is just a group of electron. Dia kumpulan elektron, disebabkan dia terlampau banyak, okay, they can come to the earth. They can come to the earth. Understand? So when this lightning carry electron hit on the pokok, right, what will happen? Will you get the lightning strike also? Yes, you feel that also. Maksudnya apa? Elektron daripada langit pergi ke pokok dan pergi kepada kamu. Kalau kamu kata insulator tidak boleh mengalir elektrik, you use the word tidak, cannot conduct. That's not true. Because seems like electron can go inside the wood. Boleh jalan. Understand or not? So we don't say that cannot conduct. So what is a proper answer for that? Write it down into your notes. Okay, right here. Okay, I'll write for you now on the screen. Okay, what is an insulator? Write it down. It's a material. I need to give you the Malay version also. It's a material. Write it down into your notes, which has a very high resistance. Okay, which has a very high resistance. Okay, can so in Malay for those learn in Malay, so dia merupakan bahan rintangan lampau tinggi. Okay, bahan rintangan lampau tinggi. That means very hard to move. Okay, very hard to move. Is it okay? Can all right. Someone say, what is the thing that cannot conduct at all? Someone asked, cannot conduct electric at all. Nothing. What I mean by nothing means vacuum. Vacuum cannot conduct electric at all. But actually not really true also. So we're still finding out because electrons still can move also. So very hard to find also. But that's not the point lah. So dia merupakan bahan berlintangan lampau tinggi. That means what? Electron not to say cannot move. It can. But just difficult to move. Maksudnya, katakan langit jatuh 1 million elektron dari langit. You maybe will get, let's say, 1 or 2 electron. Masih ada. That means maybe you get 2 electron kena kepada kamu. You still okay. That means that you still have the chance to survive. Comparing with if the lightning directly strike to you, come to you, then you're no chance to survive. Understand or not? So, kalau dia indirect that wood like that, you still have the chance to survive lah. You masih ada peluang. You still have the chance. You have someone coming in. Alright, masih ada peluang untuk masih ada peluang untuk dapat electricity. Is that clear? Same thing lah. If one day TMB say, hello Malaysian, mulai esok TMB say, mulai esok kita akan upgrade kita punya wire menjadi wire kayu, wood. Sir, boleh ke sir? Boleh. Apa silapnya? Apa salahnya? Maybe you order 1 million electron, you dapat 1 biji lah. Okay or not? Is it okay? Okay, there's a question here. If there's a lightning, we are in a car. Supposedly, we are supposed to remain in a car. If yes, why? Yes, you should remain in the car. I told you before, for those in my class, you are from Wangsa Maju. I mentioned in the class before, if your lightning come, right? Let's say lightning come. Let's say you're in the car. Should you stay in the car? 100% yes. Why? Even the lightning strike your car also, right? Lightning is an electron. Sifat electron is they only like to go outside. Electron tak suka masuk dalam punya. Electron only outside. Electron don't want to go inside one. So you are safer to stay inside. Understand? Unless you're so unlucky, lightning strike directly to your petrol tank. Then your whole car burn. Itu lain cerita. Understand or not? Okay, can Okay, come back to this. Next thing, of course. Okay, next thing, of course. Apakah contoh-contoh kita ada for this? Of course, I mentioned this now. Wood is one of a good example. What else? Rubber. What else? Plastic lah. This one, I don't think I need to do a Malay translation. Kayu, getah, dan plastic. Okay? Can write down into your notes. Very, very quick. Semua boleh ikut? Everyone okay? You unmute.
Okay, sir.
I think it's kind of simple, right? Okay, then we'll move on to conductor. Yeah, true. All right. Plastic BM, how to spell plastic? Okay, the C become a K. Someone asked for Malay spelling for plastic. 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 Okay. Okay, next one. Conductor. Okay, what it mean by conductor? Apa itu conductor? In Malay called conductor. Conductor in Malay called conductor. Apa itu conductor? Tolong tuliskan definisi dia. Okay. All right. So what is a conductor? Write it down. Huh? Okay. Can I? So what is a conductor? Write it down. Conductor is a material. So it's a material which has low resistance. Okay. We have the low resistance. Okay. Mobile rintangan rendah. Okay. Rintangan rendah. That's what I mean by conductor. Understand? Can I? Conductor means low resistance. Okay. Everyone know that. So another thing is important based on that is, okay, I want you to write it down. Later you will know what's the difference here. Write this down. Okay, we find out the resistance. Malay translation, I don't think I don't need to do that. Konduktor merupakan bahan rintangan rendah. Itu saja. Rintangan rendah. Okay. So another important thing is the resistance of this conductor, right? Resistance right now is directly proportional to the, okay, I need to move it up because something blocked my screen. Temperature. Okay. Resistance is directly proportional to the temperature. Okay, apa maksud di sini adalah dia punya rintangan dengan suhu adalah berkadar terus. As I mentioned earlier on, apabila suhu bertambah, rintangan bertambah. Suhu berkurang, rintangan berkurang. Understand? And this is very important. This is very important. Why I want to highlight for that later when we go through another two later, you will know the difference. Okay? And of course, what is the example? What is the example of material of this kind of ability? You know it very well lah, huh? Apa yang kita ada? Contohnya emas, gold. Oops. Sorry, Okay, gold. What else? Silver. What else? Copper lah. Okay, write down very quick. Can boleh? Alright, sudah semua?
Sudah.
Don't need to scream.
Ya
I can
Allah.
hear you. Don't be so sakai. You. Tak pertama dulu. Next one. Semiconductor. Okay. Silver BM, perak. Silver in BM, perak. Someone asked what's the silver in BM. Okay. Semiconductor. Okay, in Malay, semiconductor. Okay, you see here, I always tell my student like this. You see here, physics is very straightforward. Okay, comparing with other subjects like chemistry, all this. Okay, we know chemistry, you know, when you say something like bio, even worse, bio want to say something maybe indirect one. Okay, everyone know that. Okay, saya bio memang canggih punya. Kalau orang fizik ajar bio, you know what happened lah, huh? Okay, dalam sini, okay, you know lah bio call what? Trachea, esophagus. Kalau saya ajar air pipe, food pipe, kan senang kan? Okay, use all this kind of scientific word, what trachea, esophagus, bronchus, bronchial. Hello, pipe cabang, okay, pipe cabang 2, pipe cabang banyak, lepas tu bunga, okay, itu evolus, okay. So you use this kind of word. Like physics were very straightforward. Semiconductor, ladies and gentlemen, or some people pronounce semiconductor, okay, is from the word semi or semi. Okay, what I mean by semi? Semi. Half lah. Semi-final. Some people pronounce semi, no? Semi-final or semi-final. Semi means what? Half. half final. Correct or not? What is semiconductor? Half conductor lah. Understand? As simple as that. Just like maybe some of you are not, don't get offended. Maybe some of you, okay, maybe some of you, you're boy. Tapi you're not that boy, but you're not that girl also. You know what I'm trying to say? So how to categorize yourself? You can call yourself semi-male. Understand or not? What do you mean a semi-male? How do I know I'm a semi-male or not? So very simple. When you stop taxi, you stop like that. Semi-male. Understand or not? You are not a female. You're not a male. Semi-male. Half. Understand? No offended. Don't get offended. Mungkin ada semi-male kat sini. Okay, no need to tell me. No need to tell me. Okay. What do you mean a semiconductor? Half. You must understand. Insulator means electron susah jalan. Conductor means electron senang jalan. Semiconductor means half lah. Or someone get offended already. Someone send me a message. Sorry, Lord. Sorry. You keep becoming a semi-male yourself. Sorry, okay. All right. So come back. What do you mean by semiconductor? Half. Insulator susah jalan. Conductor senang nak jalan. So semiconductor, is it senang jalan? Tak sangat. Is it susah jalan? Tak sangat. So how we define it, how we make the definition, write down it down into your notes. What's a semiconductor? So it's a material, okay, which has a resistance, in between, okay, in between the, okay, I think I not enough space. I need to zoom a bit. In between the insulator and the conductor. Okay, in Malay, I'm afraid I have no space to write. So for those that learn Malay, listen to my word carefully. Semiconductor adalah bahan yang mempunyai rintangan di antara penebat dengan konduktor. I repeat that in Malay. Semiconductor merupakan bahan yang mempunyai rintangan di antara penebat dan konduktor. Iaitu dengan lebih jelas kita boleh buat macam inilah. So we say that the resistance of the semiconductor is lesser than the resistance of the insulator. Okay, write down also into your notes. Maksudnya apa? Insulator means electron very difficult to move. Semiconductor, not that difficult. Okay? But the resistance is higher than the resistance of the conductor. Conductor is electron easy to move. But semiconductor, is it very easy? Not very easy. Just okay lah. Understand or not? It's just okay lah. And not only that, okay, this material is very, very, very special. Very special. Okay? And just because of that, ladies and gentlemen, another point is very important is the resistance, right? The resistance is inversely proportional. Inversely proportional, okay, to the temperature. Dia berkadar songsang. Okay? Berkadar songsang, okay? Berkadar songsang dengan suhu. Someone never pay attention ni. What is insulator in BM? Alamak. Ada saya tulis kat situ, penebat, bahan rintangan lampau tinggi. Alamak, someone never pay attention ni from KD punya. Cis. Okay? Okay, I think I'll answer you that. Okay, come back to this. Semiconductor merupakan bahan yang mempunyai rintangan di antara, okay, in between. And dia punya resistance is inversely proportional to the temperature. I got no space, I write over here. It means that the resistance of this thing, right, is inversely proportional to the temperature. That means when your temperature is getting higher, right, resistance is getting lower. This one getting lower, this one is getting higher. This is what happened to it. Itu adalah apa yang akan berlaku. Maybe you'll find that it's very weird. Yes, this is very weird and special. That's the reason why we know that semiconductor is one of the most important material that we use to make electronic product. Okay, listen to me now. Dia adalah bahan yang sangat penting untuk membuat alat elektronik. Okay, you must understand what is the difference between bahan elektrik dengan bahan elektronik. Elektrik, elektronik. Apa bezanya? Electric, electronic means, electric maksudnya satu alat yang mempunyai satu fungsi saja. We call electric. Like kettle is electric because kettle, okay, you know kettle, okay, kettle only can boil water. That's all they can do. So you don't tell me, sir, kettle can prepare coffee, can cook Maggi, boil water also lah. Understand or not? Boil water. That's all they can do. Another one, of course, another one called electronic. Electronic means that they can do more than one. Lebih daripada satu. Contohnya, handphone is electronic. Okay, they can do a lot of function. That's why you see when you use a handphone, you will know very well. Apabila kamu pakai phone kamu, when you play game, what will happen to your phone? You will find out when you play game with your phone, right? Your phone become very warm. Just sangat panas. It becoming very, very warm. You know what I say? Why like that? Because when you play game, right, electron kena berjalan dengan sangat lancar so that you be smooth and easy for you to play. But in order for electron to do that, they need low resistance. In order to give it low resistance, you must be high temperature. That's the reason why your phone automatically will heat up. Understand or not? But please do not misunderstand me. You jangan ingat, oh macam tu sir. Kalau phone saya selalu hang, saya ambil lighter, saya bakar dia sir. Cannot. Understand or not? Cannot. Everything must have a limit. You cannot burn your phone, you know. Nanti phone terbakar. Okay? Everything is a limit. Bodoh pun ada limit. Understand or not? Is that clear? So cannot. But secara semula jadi, itu adalah sifat dia. Dia nak panas. Dia suka panas. Understand or not? Okay? Is that clear? Some people say nowadays like a cooling field. Yes, of course. As I said, you cannot go in a certain extreme. That's why, right, your phone heat up. It means it's good. It's a good and a bad. They heat up, but we need to reduce back the temperature because otherwise they become overheating. Also not good. Understand? So that's a very special thing about the semiconductor. Understand or not? Can Okay, then what is an example of material have that kind of ability? So I got no place to write. I write over here. Apakah contoh bahan yang buat sedemikian? So, contoh bahan yang kita ada adalah bahan daripada kumpulan 14. Group 14 of your periodic table. Iaitu dua bahan penting. Satu adalah silicon. Okay, Si, write it down into your notes. Another one is called the germanium. These two. Why these two is considered semiconductor? You will learn in chapter number 4. Bab yang keempat, kamu akan belajar dengan sangat teliti. Okay, what is actually electronic? Macam mana? Mengapa dia special? Mengapa dia bersifat macam tu? Mengapa rintangan di antara? All this I will teach you in chapter 4. Understand or not? But these two materials, the one that we use, silicon, germanium. Okay, someone asked, what is germanium? It's the same question you ask me, what is copper? What is gold? Germanium is a name of a material. Someone asked question, what is germanium? Hello, Ma. I don't know how to answer. Germanium is the name of the material. Namanya germanium. Germanium is a material found in Germany. So they call it germanium. Understand or not? Okay, copy down quick. Someone asked question also. Mengapa phone letup? Phone letup sebab phone tak baik. Phone letup because battery letup, bukan phone letup. Okay. Why this question I tell you, I don't know how to answer. How germanium looks like? I want to unmute all. How germanium looks like? Anyone can help me to answer?
No, sir.
Germanium looks like germanium lah, For this student, I don't know who is this. Come on, when you ask question, please make sense a bit lah. How germanium looks like? Germanium will look like germanium actually. They don't look like gold. I don't know how to answer.
It looks like filament also.
Someone asked, TV also semiconductor? Yes, semua bahan elektronik. TV is a bahan elektronik, semiconductor. Okay, we're gonna move on.
Teacher is very hot.
Teacher very hot. You means temperature or what?
You
Or other
looking
thing?
hot. Not temperature.
Not temperature. I know that. But I think you are boy. I'm married, boy.
Dah masuk tapi kena kan.
Okay, so kalau tak ada masalah, we go superconductor because today we're gonna do a lot of calculation. Okay, semua ada otak sikit please.
Otak saya dah buang.
Otak you dah buang, tak apa beli balik, beli telan. 3 times a day. Okay, let's come back to this. Okay, so superconductor. Again, you know lah from the name yourself. We are physicists, straightforward. Super and Malay. I know some of you learn Malay again. Then someone will ask you, what is a superconductor? In Malay, super conductor. Superconductor. Okay. You see just now kita tahu apa itu insulator, susah nak jalan. Conductor, senang jalan. Semiconductor, in between. Superconductor, write it down. Superconductor is a material, write it down. Is a material, okay, which has very low resistance. Okay, very low resistance. Okay, very low resistance. Ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu kita kata bahan yang mempunyai rintangan lampau rendah. Okay, rintangan lampau rendah. Okay, rintangan lampau rendah. Maksudnya sangat-sangat rendah. Serendah macam mana? Write down your notes, please. Serendah macam mana? Sebuah konduktor boleh dianggap sebagai rintangan dia adalah hampir dengan zero. Okay, almost go to 0 ohm. Okay, so this symbol is called almost. This is called almost. Okay, I don't know whether I learn it in maths or not. In mathematics, we got a lot of this kind of thing one. Okay, just like for example, this is called equal. Okay, this is called almost. This is called almost equal. Okay, this is called almost equal. Okay, they are different one actually. I don't know whether I learned that or not. So this is called almost zero. Okay, almost zero. Lebih kurang zero. Apa maksud lebih kurang zero? It means that you can imagine, boleh dikatakan tak ada rintangan. Dia tak ada rintangan. Understand not? Dia tak ada rintangan. Iaitu current flow arus yang mengalir dalam dia dianggap sebagai maximum. Current flow is considered maximum. Okay, bermakna how many electron you order from TMB is exactly what you receive. What you order, exactly what you receive. Itu maksudnya. Understand not? Itu maksudnya. Rintangannya almost zero. Okay, and this is very, 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 very important. Why? Okay, it's like this. Let me give you a brief idea what is going on. Look at this. Okay, just look at the screen for a while. Okay, if you remember, kalau kamu masih ingat sebelum ini kita ada belajar ohmic and non-ohmic. Ohmic and non-ohmic. Ohmic means that semua bahan mematuhi hukum Ohm, which is the length, the size, the material, the temperature, all constant. Okay, then another one called non-ohmic. Some student ask me, which one is a non-ohmic? Now I got to tell you now. Okay, first of all, look at this. Don't need to copy. Look at this, you do. For insulator, is not considered conductor. Dia bukan conductor. So insulator dia bukan ohmic, juga bukan non-ohmic. Okay, not both, because ohmic or non-ohmic both also considered conductor. Okay, ohmic, non-ohmic is a conductor. So insulator is nothing. Dia bukan ohmic, bukan non-ohmic, bukan. Okay, conductor is considered ohmic. This is for sure. This is for sure. Understand or not? It's considered ohmic. And semiconductor and superconductor, these two is considered non-ohmic. Write it down into your notes. Dia bukan ohmic. Okay? What I mean by bukan ohmic, dia akan berubah semasa kamu buat eksperimen. It will change. Okay, it will change. Sir, why they are like that? Untuk semiconductor, I will explain. Sebab dia akan belajar pada bab yang keempat. I will explain to you. So superconductor, I'm not going to explain because it's not in your syllabus in full. Your syllabus hanya memberikan satu pengelaran, introduction for you, what is a superconductor, but not detail. Not detail. That's why I'm not going to teach. Okay, I only tell you if the question just in case, tapi ini tak pernah tanya di SPM, okay, just in case, okay, the question asks, what is an example of non-ohmic, bukan ohmic, superconductor ataupun semiconductor? Understand or not? Another thing is important for it is, superconductor boleh mencapai lintangan sifar or zero in one condition, iaitu temperature dia mesti mencapai 0 Kelvin. Ini bukan okay ya, 0 Kelvin. Iaitu pada suhu yang lampau rendah, negative 273 degree Celsius. Okay? That's why some students, they message me because I explain this little bit for the free online lesson, the per lesson one in my Telegram channel. Okay? But I no chance to explain detail for you. Some student, they message me, they say, sir, sebenarnya apa benda ni? Actually, for your information, until today, right, the real superconductor belum dijumpa. Belum. The real one, belum dijumpa. Sebab saintis belum dapat cara untuk mencapai 0 Kelvin. Tak tahu. So, superconductor belum dijumpa lagi. Yang ada kita ada hari ini is the one near super. Real super belum. Okay? So, maybe you might say, sir, what's so important about superconductor? That's important. Bayangkan, kalau sumber conductor can apply in a handphone or computer, what will happen? Imagine nowadays when you turn on the phone, what happened? Is it turn on the phone? I repeat, apabila kamu on the phone, is the phone on? Actually, no. Your phone is not on. Your phone is what? Loading. Like even I use Apple, I turn it on, where you can see Apple logo. Can you use the phone immediately? Tak boleh. Dia kena load, banyak benda kat dalam. Baru, start guna. Why like that? Ada benda berlaku kat dalam, of course. But imagine you're using a superconductor phone. What it means? On is on. Off is off. Understand or not? Is that clear? That's why until now, belum lagi jumpa. Kalau sudah jumpa, beritahu saya, okay? Understand or not? And lastly, what is an example of material can do that? One and only, mercury. Mercury dalam bahasa mukuri ya, mukuri. Okay, Hg. Okay, write it down. Then I will show you the calculation right after this. Quick. Any question you can ask now. Don't waste time. Ada soalan boleh tanya? Any question, guys and girls?
No,
Girls,
sir.
semi-male, male, female, semi-male, semua okay?
Sir.
Yes. Yes, someone called me. I think it's a female. No one. Hello.
我像个课。
你像一个 curve. No lah. Someone speak Mandarin. Then why we need to learn superconductor? We are not really learn actually, just introduced to you. Ni. Someone asked why need to know. We just introduced to you in this work or this kind of thing. Okay, Ada soalan?
Tak ada.
Tak ada? Good. Semua pandai, Okay, we still have time, right? Yeah, we still have time. Okay. Kalau ada masa lagi, yes. And no need to scream lah.
Teluk ajar mesti pandai. A+.
Memang. Because you know lah, you are special.
Ada.
Ada apa? Hey, class, don't worry, you are special. Trust me, you are special. Why special?
I love
You
my
are the one
country.
who witness the history, you know. Okay? You are the one, okay? Witness the history because there are no such thing called SPM 2020.
Yes.
Imagine next time you beli, you punya anak ke, you punya adik ke, beli past year question, you will see the book. SPM question 2020 tara, but 2021 ada 2 set. One is you, the other one is for your junior. Okay, you are so lucky. Okay,
Very, very
understand?
lucky.
Yes, understand or not? Nanti your maybe next time your uncle auntie ask you, hey, when you take SPM 2020 no 2021, orang ingat you repeat SPM ambil 2 kali orang ingat. Okay kalau sudah, we gonna start on this part. Okay, look at this.
What is this? I don't have it.
Someone asked me, December got school? No, December still consider holiday. You got holiday before exam. And say we are all Corona batch. Why you say you are Corona batch? No, you are lucky batch. Understand? You are
Lucky meh?
Lucky.
Lah.
No.
Oh, your
Not
holiday
lucky
so
at
many
all
times. You're so lucky. You see, 2020 no SPM. Can you imagine that?
First batch
And
taking
tell your kid
SPM
next
at
time,
the age of
your father take SPM
cacat.
during the age of 18, you know. Umur 18 baru ambil SPM.
Tu cacat je.
Everyone take in 17 years old, you're 18. Kan bangga kan?
Nampak bodoh lah sir ambil lambat. If ambil awal then look smart.
Mana ada bodoh.
Yeah lah, we let
Don't say that way.
Dah.
Bodoh or pandai due to comparison. Since everyone also like that, so all bodoh, so it's okay.
Oh,
It's all okay, okay?
Tapi kita orang nanti bodoh tak ada limit lah sir.
Mana ada, okay? Mana ada bodoh tak bodoh? Semua bodoh. Semua bodoh. So it's okay. Okay, fine. I don't need to tell me you're bodoh. I know I can do that, okay? Then there's someone asked me, then when's the result? Expected SPM for you is around January because February is a Chinese New Year. So SPM is on January. So expected result gonna come out is on April or May. That means you go college around June, July. Okay, semua tua sikitnya.
Malas lah sir.
So not tua, sorry. I should use another word. You are more matured. Okay. Okay lah. Every batch, right? They take SPM dulu, baru pergi ambil license kereta. Sekarang you ambil license dulu, baru SPM. Semua pergi ambil SPM dengan kereta. Kan baik kan? Okay. Someone asked why they are mute. I don't know lah. I already unmute everyone. Someone say they still mute. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna mute all of you now. I'm gonna do a little bit more on this. Then, okay. Okay. This is actually on the next page. Ini adalah from PDF file punya. Physically, you tak ada book this page. You don't have this page one. This one because it's after this is considered new set of notes. Okay, new set of notes. You should get this from a PDF file that's sent by the respective center manager. Manager akan hantar pada kamu. Kalau you tak ada buka surat ini, okay, don't have this note, make sure you get the notes from the manager. You will from DJ, get from DJ, SJ and so on lah. Ambil, mesti ada. Seperti biasa, tak ada tak apa. Look at the screen, will do. Look at the screen. Okay, what is important about this? Okay, you see, everyone pay attention. Be serious now. Be serious. All the orang tua, SPM 2020 punya orang tua, 21, sorry. Look at this. You see, sebelum ni kita kata resistant, right? Actually, right? Secara, I would say, kesimpulan, I would say, resistant is like can consider like bad guy. Benda yang tak baik lah. Why tak baik? Because of resistant, right? Kita tak dapat apa yang kita nak. We order 1 million electron from TNB, you get lesser than 1 million. You feel like not fair, tak adil. We pay so much money, you get so little. Because of this resistant is a bad guy. Correct or not? But sometimes we find out resistant is a good guy. Kita perlukan dia. Understand? Kita perlukan dia. That's why some student ask me, sir, why some books say resistant is needed? Yes. Resistant is a good guy and a bad guy. Understand or not? Bad guy also there's something good. Good guy also there's something bad. You know what I'm trying to say? Okay, you know what I say? Everything is like that. Like Iron Man is a good guy, okay? A Captain America is a good guy, but two good guys also will fight. They call it Civil War, okay? Same thing. Thanos is a bad guy, but it's good also. He used this to kill 50% of the people in the world. So all the dumb gone, okay? All the good ones stay, okay? Something like that. Everything must be good and bad. So you don't be too extreme. Jangan kamu melampau sangat you punya pemikiran. Semua benda baik ada buruknya, ada buruk pun ada baiknya. Apa maksudnya is like that? You see, let me show you what it means. I use this side of the board. One more time, you see why I say this is good. You see, the problem is like that. TMB so tetapkan for you is, I told you before, every Malaysian, every house in Malaysia, TMB so tetapkan menggunakan current 13 ampere, 13 ampere. Okay, I told you before, what I mean by 13 ampere is like this. Rumah kamu memerlukan elektron. TMB, what happened? They will send electron to your house for you to use. Dia sudah tetapkan apa? 13 ampere. What it means? Bermakna setiap satu saat, dia akan menghantar 13 column of electron to go to your house. I told you before, column is a group of electron. They will send 13 to you every 1 second. But now the problem is here. Masalah wujud di sini. Apa masalah dia? Kamu kena faham. Di rumah anda, right, is not any time and every time. Bukan setiap masa kamu memerlukan 13 kolom, you know. Because some of the time in your house, kamu tak perlukan electricity yang tinggi. Contohnya, you're charging your handphone. Your handphone is a small device. Dia tak perlukan elektron yang tinggi. You know what I say? Sometimes you need it because of the aircon. Okay? Aircon menggunakan electricity yang tinggi. You know what I say? Sometimes we need less electron. Sometimes we need more electron. Tapi TMB, they just send only. Understand now? You cannot call TMB. Hello TMB. Nanti saya nak charge handphone, tolong kurangkan penghantaran elektron. Nanti saya punya handphone meletup dah. Tapi lepas tu, you hantar balik lebih banyak elektron. Tepat sebab I want to turn on my aircon. Then you will say, oh, after I turn on my aircon, I want to turn on my computer. Lesser a bit electron. But after my computer, I want to charge my iPad, increase a little bit more. You know what happened? Kalau buat macam tu, TMB will show the longest finger they have to you. Understand or not? Of course, which one's the longest finger of TMB? I'm not sure. But my longest finger is this one. Don't make me wrong. I'm a good guy. I'm a highly educated. So, TMB tak akan buat macam tu. TMB say, you leceh tau. Everyone use different way. What? Semua orang buat benda yang sama. So, what TMB say? Fine. What you do? You control electron yourself. You manage yourself. You jaga diri anda. Apa maksud jaga? TMB don't care. I send electron to your house. You pakai. Katakan pada masa itu, saya memerlukan elektron yang rendah. Saya memerlukan elektron yang rendah. Okay, you need less electron. Let's say lah, at that moment there, you need less electron. So what you gonna do? So what you gonna do in your house? You just have to increase your resistance in your house only lah. Lesser electron lah. Understand or not? Let's say at that moment, you need more electron. What you gonna do? You reduce the resistance in your house. It's a very simple example. It's a simple example. I just want to tell you it's like that. You see, katakan your amplifier, your radio, anything lah. Dia mesti ada satu benda namanya volume button. The volume button is control the loudness of the speaker. Or I can say it control the volume of the speaker. Imagine it's like that. Apabila kamu nak bunyi kuat, what you do? Bunyi kuat means you need more electron, more electricity. So what you do? You increase the volume, right? Actually, apa berlaku tau? When you increase your volume is you are reducing the resistance. Kamu sedang kurangkan rintangan. Semasa kamu kurangkan rintangan dalam radio anda, arus mengalir dalam radio akan bertambah. So akan menyebabkan bunyi lebih kuat dihasilkan. Sebaliknya, kalau kamu nak kurangkan bunyi radio, what you do? You increase the resistance. Understand or not? Arus di radio akan dikurangkan, suara dihasilkan akan dikurangkan juga. You are controlling the resistance yourself. TMB don't care. Understand? But now the question come back. How we can control all this resistance? So now the thing is like that. We find out resistance ataupun rintangan dalam bahasa Melayu adalah dikawal, is controlled by one thing is called resistor. Resistance is controlled by resistor. Okay, in Malay dinamakan sebagai perintang. Okay, perintang. What's a resistor? Resistor basically, right, you learn it before last time in Form 3, if I'm not mistaken. Form 3, KH. Resistor merupakan satu komponen rectangular, cylindrical in shape, something like that. Lepas tu, dia ada dua, okay, sambungan di situ. Then you will see there some kind of color stripe on it. Ada color code macam ni, bahasa macam ni katakan. Lepas ada macam ini, okay, something like that. Okay, then something like that. For example, okay, there are more colorful stripe at the back, something like this. Okay, this is what we call as a resistor, perintang. Last time in KH is different lah. Last time what you're gonna do? Dalam KH kamu kena hafal the color code, right? I think all of you memorize that. If I'm not mistaken, every school I find out, don't know why, every school seem to use the same thing. What they call it, what Haji Pak Mat jual kacang hijau, beli ubi kretek putih, something like that. Okay, but no worry, when you come to Form 5, tak perlu, tak perlu. Because all this memorizing coloring is for kid one. Kid like color. They like coloring, okay? You are big boy, big girl. Some old boy, old girl. Semua orang tua. Sorry, old boy, old girl, old semi-male, okay? So what you tak perlu memorize all this coloring. No need, no need. Understand? Small kid like coloring. That's why small kid always go to school with color pencil. Okay, everyone here, I got 85 students over here in this group. Anyone bring color pencil to school? You jangan menakutkan saya. Okay, every day is sharp the color pencil. Okay, jangan you're big boy, big girl. So color code not important for us. Oh, ada orang art student. This is science stream. Excuse me. The other art student bring color pencil to school. I'm teaching science stream here. No art stream here. Sorry, long channel. Oh, ada orang take up. Oops, sorry. Terasa ni. Oh, you bring the color pencil one. Even you learn art also use color pencil. Form 5 or use color pencil. Holy shit. Huh? Oh no, you see? Someone say no. Okay, please lah. Don't tell me you go. I mean, even your Form 5 learning art also, I think it's more on watercolor, right? Or this poster color, something like that. Color pencil ada. Oh, ada. Sorry Then you buy the 12 one, 24, 36, all these things one. Ayo, hebatnya. Oh, someone say color pencil for touch up. Sorry saya memang tak faham punya all this art thing. You tengok saya punya tulisan pun tahu. I so hebat punya tulisan. Oh, okay. Oh, God, use color pencil. Okay. So many messages. Okay. Sorry. My fault. Okay, sorry. Color pencil good. Color pencil good. Must bring. Sorry But physics tak payah. Okay. Tak payah. Sorry, a lot of messages coming in. Defend about the color pencil thing. Sorry. Okay. Physics tak payah color pencil we don't need. Okay. Sorry All right. So many people defended color pencil. Sorry lah. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, saya color pencil. Only my son buy color pencil. Only all this 12. After buy 12, they buy 24. After buy 24, buy 36. You buka itu kotak macam kotak pelurunya full of. Okay. Okay, come back. Still talking about color. Okay. Sorry, color. Okay, bring color pencil. Okay, must bring. SPM must bring for physics. Must bring. Okay. Sorry I don't need that. Okay, so erase this. Okay, now when you have the resistor, apa guna resistor? Okay, now the thing is like that. How we going to use the resistor? Okay, before that, kamu kena tahu simbol untuk lukisan resistor. Resistor boleh lukis menjadi dua cara. Satu, lukis macam ini, like this. I think some of you see before. Okay, resistor. Kita labelkannya R. Satu lagi cara, as you can see from the diagram in your notes, dia menggunakan cara kotak, rectangle like that. Okay, just rectangle like that. Put R will do. Mana-mana you suka. It's up to you. Understand or not? You can use this zigzag method. Okay, this one. Or you can use this. Up to you. Understand or not? You can see from the notes, right? I use the box method. But if you see me in person, if I teach in the class, right? Most of the time, I will use this. Okay? I will use this. Understand or not? Is that clear? I will use this. I'm not going to use the second one. If I use my hand. Okay, but in my notes, I will use the box. The reason is because in the Microsoft Word, box is easy to draw. In the whiteboard, the zigzag easy for me to draw. You see, I draw resistor easy. Done. Kalau nak kotak, lambat sikit. But up to you one. Okay, up to you. Someone say got arrow. No arrow. Arrow like that is called real start. Jangan ganggu, jangan kacau. We are not learning that now. Okay, we are not learning this. Okay, no this. No arrow. Okay. Okay, come back. So resistor. Okay, now the thing is like that. Apabila kamu ada banyak resistor, kamu boleh menghasilkan satu litar, a circuit. We call that series circuit and parallel circuit. Okay, before I go into that, I believe that all of you learned before what's a series and parallel. I know. Okay, you see here, a lot of time if I ask my student, of course, I'm not going to unmute you. You will talk a lot of different kind of thing to me one. So you see here, if I ask a lot of my students, they will say, what's the difference between series and parallel? They will say, series mean one way, parallel mean many way. You can say that so. But one of the most important thing I want you to remember is like that. How to differentiate? Macam mana nak bezakan series and parallel is like this. You see, I want you to remember like that. Okay, series means that in Malay, series namanya bersiri, litar bersiri. Series means that, remember, is when you have a battery positive, negative like this. Series means the battery from positive, right? You draw a line, the wire line. You go through all the resistor, come back in one way. Satu cara. It's called series. Remember that. It's called series. Series means go out, come back one way. Series. Parallel means that parallel in Malay, kita namakan litar selari. Okay, litar selari means what? You see from here. Okay, let me just zoom a little bit. You see from here is, when this is the positive and negative of the battery, this one come out, kamu boleh nampak, semasa dia balik ke negative, right? You can see the wire can come back here, turun bawah, balik. Betul tak? Satu cara. Tapi you can see here, I also can do like this, right? Come out, go at the middle, come back. Cara kedua. You also can see, from here they come out, go up, come back. Can you see that? Tiga cara. Understand tak? Kalau satu litar menggunakan satu cara, series. More than one, parallel. Okay or not? Is it okay? Let me show you now another example. Because a lot of people misunderstand that. They say, oh, parallel means that kalau berselari mean bertingkat-tingkat, sir. No, you see, look at this. I'll show you one example. Katakan, right, I have a resistor. Okay? A resistor like this. Class, look at this. This is series or parallel. This is series or parallel. A lot of time when you look at this, you will say it's a parallel. Selari, because you can see the bertingkat-tingkat like that. I will say it depends. Depends on what? How you draw the wire. That's why this part is super important. This part is considered the basic for you to understand the circuit. Sebab apabila kamu lepas ini, masuk chapter 3 and 4, you see more and more circuit, litar. So become very confusing. Through my experience, I find out most of the time girls, they don't like to see this kind of thing. Nampak mesti pening. Okay, but what to do, girls? Stay strong, okay? Mesti belajar. So adakah ini series or parallel? Depends. How many it depends? You see, if you connect the wire like this, I show you. If I connect wire, let's say here, I connect to here, here connect to here, katakan. And this part, I connect with a battery. You look at this. This is what? This is considered series. Remember, series means that one wire connection. Satu series. Understand or not? Okay, now you see another one. I show you the difference now. You see, if I draw again, okay, what you do? Battery here. If you connect the battery like this, let's say I connect to the middle one, like that, okay? The rest I don't want to care. Series. This is called series. But if I connect also with the one on top, connect with the one on top also, parallel. This is parallel. More than one. Okay, please, you're a big boy, big girl. Never confuse by the wire. Wire doesn't mean every time it's straight. Wire can bend here and there one. Boleh bengkok sini sana one. Not every time straight, remember. Understand or not? Not every time it's straight. It can bend here and there one. Is that clear? You also can be like that. Contohnya, katakan a wire come out, then resistor. After that, wire, resistor. What circuit is this? Series. Kalau daripada sini, tonyau satu lagi keluar. What is this called? Parallel. Katakan ni sambung balik, sambung kepada bateri. So this is called parallel circuit. Understand or not? Okay, so you see, make sure at the very beginning, you can see the difference between series and also the parallel. You can see a difference because later we do exercise, you will know. Series, they got one whole set of formula to learn. And parallel also got one whole set of formula to learn. Dan dia ada dua kumpulan formula yang berbeza. Okay? So before, today I'm not going to give you the formula. Okay, I don't think I have time for that. So I want you to, first thing to remember today is, before we end our lesson, differentiate. Boleh membezakan series or parallel. Sebab nanti kita berlatihan, you memang confused gila kan. Differentiate it. Series, satu wire, satu jalan. Parallel, more than one. Lebih satu, more than one jalan. Is it okay? So before I end, any question?
No, sir.
Any question, everyone?
No.